With the Philippines among the most disaster-prone countries in the world, and risks further intensified by the global climate crisis, the Center for Disaster Preparedness Foundation, through the Community-Led Innovation Partnership, or CLIP, sought to answer a critical question. How can communities, especially the most vulnerable, prepare, adapt, and innovate in the face of these challenges? This is what gave rise to the Pinovation Academy. Inspired by the words Pinoy and innovation, the project places community-led innovative solutions at the heart of disaster risk reduction and management and climate change adaptation and mitigation.
Pag dumarating yung disaster, sino yung unang tinatamaan nito? Sinong unang nakakaranas ng epekto nito? Yung mga taga-komunidad. So pag sila ang nag-isip ng solusyon, gamit nila yung resources nila, yung talento nila, sila rin talaga ang gagawa. Di ba napaka-empowering nun? Kasi nakabase siya sa felt need ng community kung ano talaga yung kailangan nila. Mas nagiging epektibo siya, talagang natugunan yung kanilang problema. Kaya yan ang community-led innovation.
Launched in 2021, the Pinovation Academy supported 20 community-led local innovations across the country during its 5-year implementation. Another project addressing the needs of persons with mobility disabilities, with a special focus on children, is the Lingkuranan sa Kagawasan, or Wheelchair of Freedom in Tagum City, Davao del Norte.
Gusto po naming matugunan na problema is yung kawalan ng assistive device, particular yung mga batang may kapansanan, para po magkaroon ng access to education at magkaroon ng assistive device panahon ng may sakuna na magagamit nila panahon sa evacuation. Ang kaibahan po nito is made of rattan and of course available siya locally sa aming barangay. Magaan siya gamitin ng isang batang may kapansanan, madaling isakay at magagamit niya for inclusion, magagamit niya for community participation at affordable at saka mas madaling maayos kung ito man ay masira kasi nga locally available po yung mga gamit.
The utilization of local resources and indigenous knowledge reflects an important aspect of community-led innovation.
Mas sustainable kapag community-led innovations kasi ang gamit nila local resources at indigenous knowledge. Kumbaga, kung ano yung nandun na, you start from there.
Community ma-address ang problema at naniniwala po kami na ang komunidad ang solusyon.
Napaka-importante po para sa akin yung community-led innovation. Nagbibigay siya ng motivation, nagbibigay siya ng lakas sa mga community.
Dahil dito, yung aming mga pinapangarap lang noon ay maisakatuparan namin.
Community-led innovation as a strategy, masasabi nating successful talaga. Kasi talagang niyakap ng community at willing silang ituloy-tuloy yon. Kasi talagang natugunan yung kanilang problema.
Patuloy na yayabong ang mga inobasyon mula sa komunidad tungo sa komunidad.
Mula sa patuloy na partnership at pakikisalamuha sa Pinovation Academy, nag-decide yung mga organization mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao to form a movement.
The Pinovation Academy paved the way for something lasting. Through the connections and learning built over 5 years, the participating organizations came together to form Katatagan, a national people's organization that will carry the journey of community-led innovation forward. The journey towards resilience has begun, and it is being led by the people themselves.